Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access cloudLibrary eAudiobooks from the ValleyCat online website and how to listen to these eAudiobooks from your computer. Before we begin, you want to make sure you have your Kings County Library card number as well as your 4-digit PIN number available, since you'll need those two pieces of information to check out your eAudiobook. If you have forgotten your PIN number, you can call your local library and we'll be glad to help you get your PIN number. To begin, you want to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. From here, you're going to move across the screen until you see the word catalog, and then you're going to click on it. Once you arrive at the ValleyCat online catalog homepage, you're going to type in the title of the eAudiobook that you want to listen to. So for this tutorial, we're going to type in the title, End of the Ocean. And then once I've typed the title in, then I'll click the orange search button. As we can see here, a total of 116 results have come up. Again, since I said I want an eAudiobook, I'm going to go over here to the left where it says Format and see what type of options are available to me. So as we can see, there's books, large print, DVD, ebook. Again, I would like an eAudiobook, so I'm going to press the More button, and this brings up other options. So, right where it says eAudiobook, I'm going to click the button in front of the word eAudiobook, and then I'm going to click the button here where it says Include. So that's going to reduce the number from 116 down to 2. So, as we can see here, the first option is the End of the Ocean, and then when we look at electronic format, it says cloudLibrary, which is the type of resource that I'm wanting to listen to. So to check out this eAudiobook, I'm going to click the download button like so, and then I'm going to type in my library card number, and then my PIN number. And then once I've typed in my card number and PIN number, I'm going to press the login button. I can tell if I was able to successfully check out this eAudiobook through cloudLibrary because this box will come up. Checkout successful. Your item is now available in the cloudLibrary application. To download the cloudLibrary application, click here. And so this is going to take me to a website where I'll set up access to the Kings County Library cloudLibrary account. You can also download the free cloudLibrary app through your app store on your smartphone or your tablet. So this is the home page to get to the cloudLibrary collection. So we'll select country, United States, city, state or province, so California is our state, and then find your local library. So from here I'm going to scroll down until I locate SJVLS, Kings County Library, click that, and then that's going to take us to the home page for the cloudLibrary collection. Be aware that with cloudLibrary you may have to log in again using your library card number. So let's do that now. Press login and then type in a card number. And then once you've typed in your library card number, you'll click the green login button like so. Then as you can see, there's terms of use, policy, privacy policy, and end user license agreement. I'm going to press the blue accept button. Wait a minute or so. And then I'm able to tell I was successfully able to log to the cloudLibrary website because, as you can see now, it says log out, and when I scroll over, it says you're logged in and it shows my library card number. As I mentioned before, you can also download the cloudLibrary free app, and to do that, you can click right there where it says download the app. So if I'm wanting to find the audiobook that I checked out, I can go here where it says My Books, and it'll show me any titles that I've checked out through the cloudLibrary website or the cloudLibrary app. So as we can see, there's the title, and I can tell it's the eAudiobook because there's the headphones right there. And then I have two options. I can either listen to the eAudiobook on a computer or I can return it. And be aware that any titles you check out through cloudLibrary will expire in 14 days. So if I wanted to listen to the eAudiobook, I would press listen and it will open up the title in the tab.
and Harbour Audio present The End of the Ocean.
So as you can see, there's various options, lots of resources here. So you can see the copyright from when the book was published. You can see how long this audiobook takes to be read. There's also options to speed up the reading by 15 minutes, speed it up, or you can go back 15 minutes in the past. You can bookmark areas in the audiobook, and you can also increase or decrease the volume. So as you can see here, it shows the book progress, how much time is left, and then when you scroll down, you can see the different parts of the book, introduction, chapters, things of that sort. If you were unsure as to when your e-audiobook was due, you can locate that information by going back to your account, and you can click on the first tab right here in ValleyCat, and then you can click here where it says My Account. And when you click the area where it says My Account, you'll then go to click the second tab where it says Checkouts. And as you can see, there's two different checkout types provided. There's digital checkouts, which refers to any ebooks or audiobooks checked out through Overdrive or cloudLibrary. And then there's library checkouts, which means physical material such as books, CDs, DVDs, magazines, things of that nature. So if I click where it says digital checkouts, it'll show the one title that I've checked out. It shows the format type, and then it shows when it's due. So if I decided I no longer wanted to listen to this particular audiobook, first I'll close out the tab right there. And then if I decide I want to return it early, I could just check the box in front of the title and then click the button here where it says Return Item. Then it gives you a box to confirm that you do want to return the ebook early, in which case I do, so I'll press yes. And then since this is a digital book, as soon as I confirm that I want to return it, it will automatically be returned back. So now as you can see, I have no digital books checked out. Now that I'm done accessing my ValleyCat account, I'm going to log out by clicking Log Out, and then lastly press the OK button, which will take me back to the ValleyCat online catalog homepage. This concludes the tutorial showing how to access cloudLibrary eAudiobooks and how to listen to cloudLibrary eAudiobooks on your computer. Please follow the Kings County Library Facebook page as well as the Kings County Library YouTube channel for more tutorials similar to this one. Thank you and have a good day.